Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. Today I thought I would pop on here and share with you guys my entire hair care routine, how I got my hair to grow pretty fast, I think, and how I got it to feel really healthy again. I've done some crazy things to my hair. Actually, a few years ago when my hair was in the worst shape of its life is when my best friend and I decided we would bleach all of my hair, and it turned out completely orange. It was terrible. So after that, my hair was in horrible condition for a really long time. And then I ended up just having to chop all my hair off completely, and it was really hard for me to find a photo of me with my hair even short like that. It was almost like that period of time just didn't happen because I was scrolling through my phone and it was like I had no pictures with short hair, so it was really hard to find that photo. But after I cut my hair short, I just decided I'm gonna start taking really good care of my hair. I stopped bleaching my hair completely. Basically, bleaching your hair is not very healthy for your hair. It's stripping your hair of all the nutrients. So I just decided I'm not gonna bleach my hair anymore, no highlights, nothing, and I'm just gonna try to keep my hair super healthy. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is my hair color. So this is pretty much my natural hair color, and if I do ever put any color on my hair, it might be like every 2, 3, 4 months. It's not very frequently, but I would use a demi-permanent hair color. So this is just something that washes out after 6, maybe 8 weeks. Actually, the one I use makes my hair feel super shiny, super healthy, super smooth, and it actually makes my hair feel even more manageable. So the one that I use is by Paul Mitchell. I either use this or I use the one by Redken. Both are pretty similar. This is the processing liquid, and then you can mix this equal parts with whatever color you choose. So if I put color into my hair, I normally just do the same color as my hair, which would be a 5N, and I mix that equal parts with this. Lately I haven't been doing any color at all though, and I've just been mixing this with a clear shine, and it just makes my hair feel so healthy, really seals the ends if I feel like I have split ends, and I really feel like this has helped my hair to grow. And just by not putting a ton of different hair color on my hair, this doesn't have ammonia in it either, so it's a lot healthier for your hair. I do have my cosmetology license, so fortunately I am able to go into the hair stores and purchase this. If you don't have a license, or if you don't know somebody who has a license, you might be able to purchase it on Amazon without. I'm not sure. I'll try to link that below if you can, or maybe you can just tell your hairstylist that you want to use something similar to this. I'm sure they'll know what it is. Another thing that I started doing when I decided I wanted to grow out my hair was I switched over to a really nice shampoo and conditioner. The one I've been using for a while now is by Pureology, and it's the Nano Works Gold. Now this stuff is pretty expensive, but it's supposed to make your hair feel like virgin hair after 7 washes. So at first I wasn't too sure about this stuff, and then I got really hooked, and I feel like it's just changed my hair completely. I think this shampoo and conditioner is incredible. It's definitely pricier, but it's 0 sulfates and it's 100% vegan ingredients. Now all of the Pureology shampoo and conditioners I think are absolutely incredible. You obviously don't have to use this, but if you can get something that is sulfate free, I think that's super beneficial. What I like about this one, it does still lather up. That's my biggest pet peeve about sulfate free shampoos. It's like a lot of times they don't lather up, and I don't feel like my hair is getting clean. So with this stuff, I definitely feel like my hair is getting clean. I will leave this link down below, and I'll also leave some cheaper options if I can find some. But this stuff is amazing. My hair feels so awesome whenever I wash it, and I only wash my hair maybe like every 3 to 4 days. I don't wash my hair that frequently. My hair is super coarse and thick, so I feel like I can kind of get away with not washing it as much. But yeah, whenever I do wash it, I always use this. After I get out of the shower, I normally keep my hair tied up in this little hair towel for a while. Normally I get my makeup on, get my clothes on, and the longer I can keep my hair up in this towel, really the better for me, because it just takes so long for my hair to dry. Then the first product that I actually use in my hair is this It's a 10 stuff right here. I've been using this stuff for years, and it just makes my hair feel amazing. So honestly, before I even comb out my hair or anything, I just spray this right in my hair. So then when I'm combing my hair, I'm not like ripping through the tangles or anything like that. And then I always use this brush. It's called the wet brush, and honestly, it just makes it so easy to brush out my hair. If I didn't spray this stuff in my hair though, it would just be a nightmare trying to brush through my hair. So see how easy that is. And my hair is naturally very curly, so I have to work really hard just to kind of get it straight if I want it to be straight. But if you guys want to see a curly hair routine as well, comment down below and let me know. Okay, so the next product I'm using is this oil. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it's a hair styling elixir. It just really makes my hair feel really smooth and shiny. So I basically just focus this on my ends because it is an oil and my roots tend to get pretty oily, so I don't really put this on my root. Next, I'm going to start blow drying my hair. I have done a whole entire video using this Revlon styling brush that has a ton of hair on it. Really needs to be cleaned out, but this makes it super easy to blow out my hair, so I love this thing. Or sometimes I just use just my regular old blow dryer and a round brush, so it really just kind of like depends what mood I'm in. Sometimes I use both. I'm probably going to start out using this today and see how that goes. I feel like I can get my hair a little bit straighter if I just use the regular blow dryer. It does get a little more flippy on my ends, but it doesn't really matter because I am going to go through it with my heat brush after this anyway. Now that my hair is finally all dry, this is about as straight as my hair gets to with the blow dryer. Like I said, it's naturally curly, so it's really hard to get it straight at all. I am going to go over it with an iron in just a minute, but today I decided I am going to give myself a little bit of a trim because I've been noticing my ends are super dry right now, and it just makes it so much easier to style my hair when I do have a trim. I also only like to cut my hair when my hair is dry, just because if it's wet it starts to kind of curl and it's really hard to get it even or anything, so I always like to do it when it's dry. And I don't recommend cutting your own hair. I did work in a salon for a couple years, so I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing, and it's pretty easy now because my hair is so long and it's really coarse and thick, so if I do mess up, it's not super noticeable. But I've honestly never ever liked somebody else cutting my hair, ever. I've just never been 100% happy with it, and whenever I cut my own hair, I just really always like it. My hair is all trimmed up now. It honestly feels so much better and it feels so much shorter, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my irons to kind of fix this because it feels super poofy right now. Before I use my irons though, the next product that I use is this Redken Hot Sets Heat Thermal Setting stuff. I don't know what it is, but anyways, it's just supposed to protect your hair from any heat damage or anything. So I always spray my hair down with this first, and then I go ahead and use my styling tools. And the two styling tools I'm going to be using today is this very old curling iron. It's a Hot Tools curling iron, and it's very squeaky. It's old trusty, but that is the curling iron that I use pretty much every single day. When I get any questions about my hair, that is always the iron that I use, and it's 1.5 inches, so it's a little bit bigger than your typical curling iron. And then I also use this heat straightening brush, and this is by the brand Amika, but so many different brands have come out with like the same thing now. But this thing actually really helps me because I actually like my hair to be a little bit straighter on the ends, and I can't get my hair super straight when I'm blow drying it. So this kind of helps like get rid of any frizz, just kind of brush through it, and it helps make my ends a little bit straighter and smoother. And then after I use this, then I go in with my large curling iron and curl all my hair. Alright guys, so I just finished curling my hair, and I actually kind of went through and just put my fingers through it a little bit. You can add some hairspray if you want it to stay a little bit longer, if your hair doesn't hold curl very well. My hair tends to hold curl super well, so I normally don't even have to put hairspray in it. You could also spray a little texturizing spray in it, or dry shampoo if you want it to look a little more piecey. But normally this is just what I do. Whenever you guys ask me in my videos what I do with my hair, this is exactly what I do step by step. So I will leave everything that I use down below in the description box. And yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if your hair is just like mine, or if your hair is like totally opposite of mine. Let me know what you guys do with your hair, and then maybe everybody can get some inspo and some hair tips down below in the comments. So I really hope you guys are having a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.